For the progress billing, the manual way to do it, we'll head out to our project contract. And you'll see on the project contract we have a billing rule area. So let's add the billing rule. And I will choose progress. So essentially, we specify the contract value. We specify which project it's going to be associated to. So if you have a project structure with sub-projects and sub-sub-projects, all that will appear here. And then you choose the category. So let's just choose fee. So this will be the category that gets used. So once the billing rule is set up, there's not much transactional activity can happen on the project regardless. But from an invoicing perspective, we head out to the Manage Contract Status form in order to update the percent complete that we are on this project. So the Manage Contract Status form will have your billing rule out here. It will tell you the value, how much we've invoiced, customer retainage if you withhold retainage from your customer invoices, the amount remaining, and then the percent complete. So this form will track as we progress through the project. It'll keep track of where we are from an invoicing perspective. But you'll notice at the top of the screen here, this update percentage button is active because I have this manual billing rule. And I haven't invoiced anything in the past, and I'm looking to invoice 10% right now. So I'll put 10% into invoice. And then I will head out and create a new invoice proposal. And you'll see that in the billing rules section up here, a billing rule has come into invoice. And as we scroll over, my billing rule value is $150,000. The amount we want to invoice now is 10% of that, or $15,000, exactly what I put in as the percentage to invoice. So I can create and post that invoice. So once that's done, let me just recheck my Manage Contract Status form. So you can see that that $15,000 has been invoiced. I'm at 10% complete, and I have the ability then to say, yeah, let's invoice another 25%, and so on and so forth. So when you head out to the invoice proposal form, the line is out there for you to invoice. And if we check, 25% of my $150,000 is $37,500. So it wants to invoice that, and so on and so forth. So you can, again, click OK. I'm going to post this, so run through these invoices real quick. All right, and there we are. So now the total 52.5 has been invoiced, 35%. So that's the manual way to run the progress billing rule.